Looking for gifts for Christmas? Bam, check it out. Vogma V9 turbo fan. There's the stats on it. Let's get it open. See what we got in here. This is always the hardest part for me, getting it open. Finally got that tab open. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, looks awesome. There it is. Check it out. All right, so when you get it, this thing's all already attached. It does come with this other attachment too that you can use for dusting. But to turn it on, you just got to press this and hold it. And then you're going to see it come on here. It's also going to tell you how much it's charged. This is the power, or how much it's going to blast out. So it goes from 0 to 9. And I can feel it pushing back. I mean, that's how strong this thing is. So it sucks in from this end, right? And you can take this off. And if you're doing some dusting, you can do this like this. Let's say you're dusting something. Trying to get the sand or dirt off it. You can do that. But for the most part, I would probably just use this. Now, to turn it on, it's a press and hold, and to turn it off, it's a press and hold. So press and hold, comes on, press and hold, goes off. But that's basically it. And then you just plug it in there, USB-C, and it charges. And yeah, this thing rocks. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.